Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring what you already have. Quickly audit 9-12 recent posts for lighting, framing, and engagement to target weak spots. Once done, change capture settings to RAW or the highest JPEG and enable your grid so composition improves immediately. You should set aspect ratios. Choose 4:5 for feed portraits or 16:9 for landscape video, because the right crop maximizes screen usage and click-through. You now focus on capture and composition. Lock AE/AF or use manual exposure so highlights don't blow out during motion. Make sure ISO stays under 800 to avoid grain, and light with a single key light plus a softer fill because that sculpts your subject. Once set, place subjects on a third for dynamic framing and stabilize the camera with a tripod or gimbal. Record at 60 FPS for smooth slow motion and more flexible editing. You finish by editing for clarity. Color grade to match mood, apply gentle sharpening and noise reduction, and keep highlights below 95% to avoid clipping on Instagram. Export using H.264 or H.265 at 1080p 4K with a 1025 Mbps bitrate so details survive compression. Once exported, upload over strong Wi-Fi. If you run into problems, clear the app cache and retry, or reduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.